23 divided by 4. Here 4 is a divisor, so we need multiplication table of 4. 4 times 0, 0. 4 times 1, 4. 4 times 2, 8. 4 times 3, 12. 4 times 4, 16. 4 times 5, 20. 4 times 6, 24. To find out the multiplication table of 4, just add 4 with the previous step. 0 plus 4, 4. 4 plus 4, 8. 8 plus 4, 12. 12 plus 4, 16. 16 plus 4, 20. 20 plus 4, 24. 24 plus 4, that gives us 28. This process will continue. 4 goes into these two how many times? 0 times, as 2 is less than 4. 0 times 4, 0 times 4, 0. Subtract 2, bring down this digit, 23. 4 goes into 23 how many times? 6 times 24, which is greater, so 5 times. 5 times 4, 20. Subtract 3. So our answer is 0, 5 means 5, remainder 3. But if you want to write your answer in decimal form, then take here decimal, add number of zeros. Bring down the first 0, but before the 0 there is a decimal. Decimal must come to the quotient directly. 4 goes into 30 how many times? 4 goes into 30. Look, 8 times 32 is greater, so 7 times. Write 7 here. 7 times 4, 28. Subtract, you are getting 2. Bring down another 0. Then 4 goes into 20 how many times? 4 goes into 20 5 times. Right, 5 here. 5 times 4, 20. Subtract 0. So our answer is 5.75.